Hi, this is Sumit, and I'm an e-commerce investor and a coach. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you one business opportunity that we can start by selling Indian towels to the international market using e-commerce tool. The exact same process that I'm doing, follow that, and you can also do it successfully. Before I go ahead, this is my own e-commerce store, and these are my analytics in the last 30 days, my sales and my lifetime of sales. I am fully focusing on exports of Indian handcrafted products, and towels which are also handcrafted is a big market in this. I mainly sell in the international market. I have this exact same thing that I'll be giving you, and I'll also be giving you softwares and tools that you can integrate into this. That means this entire e-commerce business will be plug and play. So this store builder has got AI tools as well as SEO tools, social media marketing tool, paid advertisement solutions, everything integrated in this. So now let's explore the opportunity. If I search about towels only in Amazon, you can see that 4,000 people paid about $18, 10,000 people paid $31 the last month only. Now just think, if people are buying 10,000 towels in a month itself, assuming the fact that if you got have this kind of business, it's very easy to do. Just list the products and start selling. I'll teach you how it is easy because I worked with Amazon itself and I have got good experience working on Amazon global and international marketplaces. I worked with Alibaba in the past. So what you're seeing here, 10,000 sales, 7,000 sales, 6,000 sales, these are all $1 million games. So I want you to start a business like this because these products, everything that you are seeing, 1,000, 2,000, 11,200, these are number of sales. This is an Etsy.com. And this is Lazada.com, 4,200 sales, 8,500 sales. That means these products have great amount of sales. People are keep buying these towels and tissue papers and all these things which are mainly for hygiene. So because they feel that, you can't keep using same product again and again for their health. People are health conscious internationally more than India. I'm not saying that Indians are not, but in foreign countries, there are more. Turkish towels, you can see these many selling out fast, 10 sold. So these are all high ticket value products and you can make good amount of profits in this. Now India has got a very big market of towels and napkins and handkerchiefs which they manufacture. I'll give you the contact of suppliers, I'll give you the entire ecosystem so you can simply get started with this kind of business. And this is a B2B business. That means you're not just selling in retail, but you're making quantities worth of sale. How to do, what exact process to follow. For that, I have created a complete ready-made e-commerce training program so that all these products that you are seeing right now, you will be able to list into your own e-commerce business, like which I'm going to give you. This is a software, okay? Your own e-commerce brand with your own domain name and your own number of people you can add in this. This is not like Amazon. This is your own website. And directly you can collect payment also into your bank account. So everything included into a single program. I'm giving guarantee of sales. You can get buyers database, plug and play e-commerce store builder, and also mentorship support. So what you are seeing is the business opportunity where I'm going to give you 17 certificates integrated into the same program. That means you will be able to learn how to do the website development, how to do digital marketing, how to scale sales. And you'll also get certification, which is government approved certification. These are 17 certificates bundle. And you'll also get the online practical training on e-commerce with us so that you can directly start generating sales. This program will be there for lifetime. That means lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support will be there to you. Yes, you heard me right. Lifetime of access, update, support. And you will be getting training from not only me, but my entire team. And to make sure that you get the best from my team and my program, you are going to get recorded sessions plus ebooks, white papers, case studies of successful entrepreneurs and businesses, and also business models so that you can make it successful. You will also get free softwares and tools access so that you can directly get started with digital marketing. Institute is fully affiliated, government approved, and Amazon, Alibaba, and many partners are there with IIEC. Experts are from top companies and they are doing quite great in their business. So Indian e-commerce is a fully registered Section 8 licensed non-profit institute, which is a public-private partnership. And if you want to check out, you can go to Minister of Corporate Affairs, and you can also check out with Minister of Education. The institute is fully reputable and having the good demand of the programs. Now, what I want you to do is to take action, join the program. In 2 to 3 years, you can make good profits. But I'm saying even in the first month, immediately you can start generating money also. 10 to 12 lakhs is something which is easy to do. Themes, whatever I'm showing you, these are like website design. You can just make your own and you can change all the things and design the website and start selling these products. Okay. So store I'm giving you I'm giving you the database of buyers. I'm also giving you digital marketing training, and also you are going to get plug and play ready-made store. So everything included at a very base amount, you can get started. I'm not charging 50-60 lakhs, but a small amount of money. You can get EMI in this. If you have a credit card, you can go for 24 months EMI, 36 months EMI. Simply click on this. It will take you to the payment link. Use your email ID, use your phone number, click on pay now. And once you are here, it will take you to the secure payment gateway where you have an option of paying through UPI, paying through EMI. If you have any credit card, you can simply go with credit card EMI. And the credit card EMI can be from all the banks. We have tied up with all the banks in India. If you're having ICICI Bank, for example, you can go for 24-month EMI, so it will hardly cost about 4,800 rupees only per month. So in this much amount, just about 4,800 rupees, you can get started with a ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce business. That's a great deal, right? You're getting the mentorship, you're getting the store builder, you're getting the buyers database, you're also getting the ongoing support, live training, certifications, all inclusive in a single program. If this deal sounds interesting for you, I want you to join this e-commerce business opportunity today. You are spending money everywhere. I want you to invest in a real successful business that can make you financially free. So I want you to join this journey with e-commerce exports by my institute, Indian Institute of E-commerce. So join me today and let me see you in my program.